Hi everyone, I am Fiona. Today's video is a part of our EPS cutting lines machine testing. It can be clearly seen from the video that the third phase cutting, cross-cutting, pressure mechanism driven by the cylinder is not parallel to the ground. Our test site is not a professional EPS foam factory, so we don't have a very stable compressed air source. This leads to unstable power in the cylinder, which then results in the pressure mechanism not being able to maintain a perfect horizontal position as shown in the video. Once the EPS cutting line is actually installed in the customer's factory and paired with a stable compressed air tank nearby, such a situation will not occur. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.